Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to write daily reflection in Finch. Finch is an interactive digital companion designed to help users build productive habits, track progress, and engage meaningfully with their personal growth. And one of the key features of Finch is the daily reflection tool, which allows users to record thoughts, review their accomplishment, and reflect on their day. Writing daily reflection not only enhances self-awareness but also contributes to Finch development and engagement. And in this guide, we will explain how to write daily reflection within the Finch application. First, you need to open to your Finch app and make sure to log in. And once you reach into this dashboard here, you need to locate to the reflection icon. And over here on the top left, there's a three-lined. Select there and find my self-cares area in your profile section over here. And once you reach into this, you can select start a new area here and scroll a bit down and select create my own area and type down reflection and select save. Over here, you can write your daily reflection and your reflection is now saved and organized by the date. For the easy review later, you can revisit entries by scrolling through your journal or using the calendar icon if available. And writing daily reflection in Finch promotes mindfulness, self-awareness, and structured habit tracking. Regularly engaging with this feature not only benefits your personal growth but also strengthen your connection with your Finch, providing a rewarding and interactive experience. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.